Hello kids 4, how are you? We are here in another week. We had the weekend, which was Saturday that we spent at home, and Sunday. So today is Sunday and Monday. Very good. Today is August, Monday, and it's 10. Okay, so let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we mark. Thank you for helping. Let's sing now.
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Daddy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Mommy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Rain, rain,
Go away, come again another day.
little brother
Wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Rain,